My sobriety sucked until I figured this out. I was sober for 3 years before I even understood what recovery actually meant. At first, I thought quitting alcohol is the whole thing. Remove booze from your life, and your life starts to fix itself, right? Didn't turn out that way. I was still anxious. I was still insecure. I still felt feelings of being lost. And that's when it hit me. I wasn't fixing anything. I removed alcohol and I expected everything to fix itself. It doesn't work that way though. Sobriety is quitting alcohol. Recovery is doing the work. It's rebuilding your mindset, rebuilding your habits. It is getting honest about your bullshit and building a life that you do not need or want to escape from. And that's the goal, not just staying sober, but becoming the man or woman you can actually be proud of.